All right, thanks again joining us here at Cardboxbreak.com. We're here for the 2011 Playoff Contenders Football Free Random Team Promotional Box Break number 1. That's a load to say. So the free promotional break, random team, we just finished the randomization. We'll review the sell sheet one last time, and then we'll get started. So again, Cardboxbreak.com if you want to get in on these. And we have Arizona Allen, Atlanta Allen, Baltimore David, Buffalo Billy, Carolina Ray, Chicago Paul, Cincinnati Allen, Cleveland Paul, Dallas Allen, Denver Ray, Detroit Cass, Green Bay Cass, Houston Billy, Indy John, Jacksonville Cass, Kansas City Billy. Then up in the second column, Miami Cass, Minnesota, New England, New Orleans, New York Giants, all Allen. Jets, Billy B. Raiders, Allen. Eagles, Billy. Steelers, Tom. San Diego, John. San Francisco, Paul. Seattle, Paul. St. Louis, John. Tampa Bay, Billy. Tennessee, Billy. And Paul, Washington. So I don't know why I switch off from saying the city and the team name, but whatever gets me through it, I guess. All right, so here we go. The serial number on this one is going to be, I gotta look at it myself. It is going to be, I'm gonna invest in a better camera. 8961. 8961 is the serial number on this one. And good luck. Hopefully you get something good. Can't go wrong when it's free. Okay, we got our checklist in case we need that. And just gonna start pulling packs out. This is exciting. I really do love doing this stuff for you guys. Seeing the great hits that you guys walk away with. And there's the empty box. Hope you guys appreciate it. I know sometimes it can be frustrating, but just know that you're getting in pretty cheap on these. $20, $24, and let's give it a good cut. Thin to win. All right, so we got our 24 packs, and let's go. And I won't mention the teams. I'm just going with the players. Good luck. Come on. Always the first one, right? There we go. All right. First up, probably a lot of cards we've seen before, but Darren McFadden, Steve Johnson, D'Angelo Hall, Eli Manning, and Sean Green for the first pack. So not an exciting first pack. Helps knowing you got 23 more. All right, next up we got Danny Amendola, Hakeem Nicks, Anquan Bolden, Ben Roethlisberger, and John Beeson. All right, come on. Okay, we got Aaron Rodgers, Arian Foster, Super Bowl ticket Mike Allstott, Matt Hasselbeck, and Marshawn Lynch. We have Pierre Thomas, Jamal Charles, a legendary Contenders Art Monk, Miles Austin, and Mark Sanchez. All right, Fred Jackson, Andre Caldwell, a rookie roll call, DeLone Carter, Maurice Jones-Drew, and Larry Fitzgerald. Come on. All right, we have Santana Moss, Ray Maluga, Matt Ryan. Sorry, I just wanted to, if it was a auto ticket, I wanted to wait. Chris Johnson and Frank Gore. This pack was all kind of crinkly. All right, Steven Jackson, Deshaun Jackson, and we have a rookie draft class, Cameron Jordan and Mark Ingram for the Saints, Wes Welker, and Javid Best. Okay. And we got Peyton Manning, Mike Williams, a legendary Contenders, Bruce Smith, and Reggie Bush, Jay Cutler. Then we got Carson Palmer, Brandon Marshall, a rookie roll call, Jimmy Smith for the Ravens, and Colt McCoy, and Roddy White. So again, we're saving those hits for later, which is it's good. Keep that suspense up. These packs always get stuck right there. All right. Dallas Clark, LeGarrette Blount, a Rookie of the Year Contenders, Stephen Ridley, and Kyle Orton, and Tavares Jackson. Don't fall asleep on me. These autos will come. Greg Jennings, Matt Schaub, and I think I did see that one was coming, so let me just put that at the back. We got Sidney Rice, Tony Romo. That's that Matt Schaub again. And the first hit is going to be Joe Leafagid. I don't even know how to say that name. Joe Leafagid? Not familiar. One of the sticker autos for the Indianapolis Colts. So, hey, like I said, free box, can't go wrong. Who's got Indy? That's John M. taking that one. Set that one aside. So, put that in a case. One down. We got at least 3 to go, but so far in my first 2 boxes, we've had 5 autos in each. So, let's keep that going. Josh Freeman. Matt Castle. Then we got a rookie draft class for the 49ers, Colin Kaepernick and Kendall Hunter. That's going to Paul E. Then we got Santonio Holmes and Matt Stafford. Okay, next up we have Ryan Fitzpatrick, Michael Vick. I'm going to save that one. Alex Smith, Vincent Jackson, and that's the Michael Vick again. And the other sticker auto, it's Armand Smith for Cleveland Browns. Again, not another name I'm not too familiar with. Armand Smith for the Cleveland Browns. That's Paul E. taking that. So nonetheless, still an auto. Again, I've seen decent money for guys that I don't know on eBay. So still got the exciting ones left. We got Mike Thomas for the Jaguars. Flip this around. We got LaShawn McCoy. Super Bowl ticket. That's Joe Mean Green for the Steelers. We got Percy Harvin and Mercedes Lewis. Okay, then we got Ray Rice, Adrian Peterson, another Super Bowl ticket, this time Shannon Sharp for the Broncos, Kevin Cobb, and Malcolm Floyd. Alright, let's have a biggie. Let's have a biggie. Marquise Colston. Willis McGahee. That's not too shabby. Rookie of the Year contenders, Andy Dalton for the Bengals. And that, Cincinnati. Alan P. taking that one. We got Dion Branch and Matt Forte. I don't know if those Rookies of the Years have autos. I think they might. Would have been nice to see something like that. And I've seen Legendary Contenders come out with autos. So some big stuff you can get. Benson. Dwayne Bowe. Another Super Bowl ticket. This one I don't mind seeing. Donovan McNabb, but that was the he was on the wrong side of a Patriots. But for the Eagles, Ndamukong Suh and Andre Johnson. So probably about 8 packs or so, including this one. Still got 2 big autos to come. We got Sam Bradford, Mario Manningham, a Legendary Contenders, Danny White for the Cowboys, Des Bryant, and Tom Brady. We are really saving it to the end, I guess. All right, then we got Joe Flacco, Greg Jennings. We got a rookie roll call, Bilal Powell for the Jets, Calvin Johnson, and Mike Wallace. Next, we got Lee Evans, Jermichael Finley. I'm going to save that to the end. We got Rashard Mendenhall, Drew Brees. That's the Jermichael Finley again. And here we have our 3rd sticker auto. Interesting. Robert Hausler for the Cardinals. And that is Alan P. So hopefully, I got 4 packs left. Hopefully we see 2 on-card autos coming out of this to make our 3rd straight 5 auto box. So, all right, next up, Michael Jenkins, Reggie Wayne. Oh, and this is a redemption. So I'm not even going to look at it. I'm just going to put it right at the back. We got Phillip Rivers and Chad Ochocinco. I have no idea who the redemptions are, and the sticker looks like it's off center. So let's do a slow reveal. So we have 2011 Playoff Contenders RPS Rookie Tickets. That is card number 201. So I got our checklist here, and we're looking for rookie or RPS rookie tickets. So it's the very first one, actually. You would hope it was Cam, but he's in the box. RPS rookie tickets 201 is Marcel Darius for the Bills. So that is Billy B. Going to be taking that one home. So I'll send this out to you, and you can do what you like, sell it, redeem it, whatever you want. So I believe that's going to count as one of our on-card autos. And hopefully with 3 packs left, we find one more. All right, at least one more. Beanie Wells, Michael Bush. We have a rookie draft class of Claiborne and Bowers for the Bucks. Marion Barber and Peyton Hillis. 2 packs left. Still would love to see something huge. All right, we have Chad Henne. Move that up a little. Tim Hightower. I believe that might be our last one. D'Angelo Williams. Kenny Britt. That's the Hightower again. And, whoops, I'm all over the place. Not too shabby. Torrey Smith on-card auto for the Baltimore Ravens. That's going to be David R. So another guy in the mix here with an auto. And David, I don't know if you're a fan, but I don't mind this card. So if you're looking to move it at all or interested in making it an offer, I'd be willing to take a look at that. So set that aside. We got one pack left. And hopefully, you never know. We have Ben Watson, Michael Turner, a Rookie of the Year Contenders, Clyde Gates, or Edmund Gates, I believe is his other name, Vernon Davis, and finally Felix Jones. So 5 autos in 3 straight boxes. So I guess, I don't know if that's, I think it only calls for 4, but that's pretty standard what we've been getting. So thanks again for joining for the free box break. Again, we had, just to recap, the Marcel Darius redemption. We have the Torrey Smith on card and Armon Smith sticker. A Joe Leafgrid for the Colts sticker. And a Robert Hausler auto sticker. So thanks again for joining here. Stay tuned tomorrow afternoon, if not evening. I'll have a new product with some spots available. I just got to go to the store. And if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see, let me know. Send me an email or jump on the forum and send me a message. So thanks again. I'll see you next time. Appreciate everything. Bye-bye.